ugly specialties on that thing. I love a hardtop Chevelle, man. Okay. Big on them SS those. He said, same. So you got the same shit?
I got a Ford.
Oh.
I got the truck that nobody works on.
It look like it. Yeah, it look like yeah. 75. I say it just look like
both of them in the same spot. Both of them about ready. This ain't ready to fire up.
what we got here. Oh, that no.
You got a cable? Nope, I was looking for it earlier. There's one in the floorboard of that nice Chevelle.
Which I do this.
Holly. Front accessories. Holly dash. Basically just clean up some stuff.
Wigman.
No, it's the Holly accessories.
Oh, Holly accessory. Okay. That's nice.
Yeah, it looks a lot nicer than
That's
it did before.
Like I should have had some before.
Yeah, rewire a few things. Just cleaning it up.
Interior clean in here, huh?
Like Novus, it's not on big wheels. I've learned that.
What year is this one? 74?
77. Where's your plug-in at?
What year is this, Shane? Damn, I'm good.
You were on it.
Call that mug.
You have an affinity for ugly cars.
Not exactly. I just know.
I
just know when the ugly years were. That's what it is. 74. All 74 is ugly. Just about, except for the dump. And that's why folks don't like those. That's the most hated dump. The 74.
F100 look good in 74.
Man, we ain't talking about no damn Fords.
Come on now.
He said, "Come on now."
Said all 74s.
Well, I mean Chevys, I guess, cause GM platforms, cause I don't know nothing about a Ford in the 74. But shit, a Mustang, 74 Mustang probably don't even look good compared to a 69. Definitely
it's like
don't.
a Mach 1 or something.
Yeah, I think they okay. I think
weird body.
Yeah, I think they alright, but definitely don't look that great. It's only on what, 22s? 20s, actually. Yeah, I just said that. Okay, y'all got the motor in now.
Motor tanning.
LT4, right?
Yep.
New ring.
Yeah.
All he do is 490s, right?
Pretty much.
they ever ask for a limo?
No, they said some other kids were supposed to, but I was like, ain't nobody pulling up in that.
And this LT4?
Yeah. Just waiting on accessories. Flywheel's loose.
There's a waiting. LT4 install. Brand new console. I'm about to say column. Console. We had to get a brand new column too though.
Yeah.
Gotta turn that bitch all the way down to 750.
8mm deep.